Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will make tutorial how to make poster design in Figma. So sorry because I make this tutorial so late because I have so many projects that I need to make it and it's delayed because that. So I forgot this the project, but I just remember that this project is the second tutorial project. The first is flat illustration and the second is poster Dakwah. We use A4 for the size. Okay, without taking long time, let's start. So I will tell you one by one for the steps. So you can click F for the shortcut of frame and then go to the paper A4. Okay, I take color first. Then there is the paper in here and then name it sketch. Sketch. So we need to make sketch first like this for make us easier when make the poster. Okay, first click on it and then 8 sorry 8 layout grid. This to be columns, grid to be columns. I think 12 or 10 is enough. The margin 30 and then make it same for the rows. Add layout grid again and then rows. 10 for the count, the margin 30. Okay, like that. And then we will make the title in here. In here, the title. You can click Shift A for auto layout. Title. Okay, double click the text, change to be Poppins. Bold, and then change the size to be 40 or 64. Okay, that, and then add again this one, but we change to Allah Azza wa Jalla said, and then what is Allah Azza wa Jalla said in Quran? Regular, and then 36. Okay, smaller 20, smaller 16. Okay, it can. Okay, in here the hadith. Shift A for auto layout. Okay, Control D for duplicate, and then click on it for the auto layout, vertical layout, and then for the spacing 5, then change it hadith, make it bigger, 36 is enough. Make it go to the left side, then make the position same like the title. So don't put the text outside of this line. This is the last line. Okay, then this one, or what is the Quran or Surah? Okay, make it smaller. 16 is enough. Then I'm use component because I haven't made the component, so we just need to make like this one. Okay, just make Instagram, your Instagram name, and then YouTube, and the last is your Gmail. Okay, this, then Shift A for auto layout, then make it in the middle, name it. Okay, then make it to be full of the paper like this. Then you can setting for the spacing. I think 105 is enough, and then make the text smaller. 15, 13, 12, I think is enough. Then this for the sketch, and then Control D for duplicate. This is the poster. Name it poster. Okay, now we will make for the poster, because I forgot I put in here for the image. I just take from this Control D. Okay, okay, okay. Make it inside. Okay, make it in the back. So while last time the image is blur, so we can use effects and then layer blur, and then we can settings for the blur. I think 20 is enough, and then change the title. The color change to be brown, light brown. Then name it. And name is pentingnya belajar tauhid. Then for this line height, make it smaller, closer. I mean, say 85 is enough, and then this one to change the color to be white, okay, like this. So next, make all of these for the color is white. Okay, ready? So in here, make the text longer. We use bahasa for this one, and then this shift, then I will copy for this from this text. Control C, then Control V. Okay, like this. Then this shift, click shift and click this one. Shift A. Wait, sorry. Like this. Okay. Then this one is Quran Surah Ad-Dhariyat 50, number 56. Ad-Dhariyat. Dhariyat. Okay. And then this and 56. Okay, like this. So next we will make this one: Instagram, YouTube, and Gmail. So first go to the research plugins and then iconify or flat account. Okay, this one Instagram, Instagram, and then I will use for this one import icon, and then YouTube. Okay, this one I will pick this one, and the other one is Gmail. So this. Okay, where's that? This one. Nih, this. You can settings for the spacing. I will use 5. Wait, sorry. Name it for the frame. IG. Oh, yeah, I'm using auto layout. Just click Shift A and then change the color. This one too. Shift A 5 and then change the color to same. Okay. Shift A 5 then change the color. Okay, so this is for your social media. I will change for this one. Afif 26. Sorry, Afif underscore design. For the YouTube is Afif F Akbar, and then the Gmail is Afif 26 Akbar at gmail.com. Okay, then we will setting for the spacing to 55 if it is enough, and then add fill, change the fill to be this one. Then let's go to this text. Let's add something for make it better. So because we already for the poster, I forgot to take my school logo. Control D for duplicate and then put in here. Okay, what I'm use layout grid for make your poster is tidy. So click on it and then FX. In FX for the Y is 5, the X is 532. Then 30, 40 for the color, and then give it this one, make it more transparent. 30 is enough. Then stroke, at the stroke, use this color and make it bolder. 3. Then this one at the effects, 5, or maybe just 3 is enough. Okay, then 30 or 50 is enough. The blur is 5. Then drop shadow again. The Y is 5. Blur 5. 30. Okay, so this is the poster. Maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.